Hi dancers, it's Miss Kiki. Today I'm going to create a couple of videos for you with a dance to learn for our 30th anniversary party coming up on July 15th. The first video is going to be a tutorial, which means I'll go through all of the steps for you and talk you through it. And then I'll make a separate video of me dancing the whole thing from beginning to end with music so you can practice it that way. It's about 1 minute and 15 seconds, so it's not too long, but I would encourage you to spend some time practicing the tutorial one first and then go into the one that has the music playing. I'll teach it to you in 2 parts. Sometimes it's easier to learn one chunk of choreography and then rewind and go back and practice that a few times and then learn the second half of choreography and you can put it together that way. So I'll kind of give you that, part 1, and then I'll teach you part 2. Moms and dads, if you have little ones at home, I would encourage you to kind of jump right in there and learn the steps with them. It'll just help them feel a little bit more confident about it as we go. So let's stand up. And this actually starts facing backwards. So I'm in the studio today. So for most of the time, I'm going to be facing the mirrors this way so you can pretend like you're in the classroom with me. And with my back too, so you'll be able to follow that way. But in the beginning, we actually face the back. So I want you to turn around, and moms and dads, if you're in the room with your little one, you can kind of help them figure this out. You're just going to turn around and face backwards. This part is not too hard. It's just your introduction. We have our feet apart in second position. And there's a couple drum beats in the beginning, but then the music really comes in right away. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our right arm in a jazz hand and you're going to lift it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then your left arm comes up. 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're going to jump and cross your right leg in front of your left leg. And at the same time, your hands are going to come behind your head with your elbows nice and wide. Okay? So again, feet are apart. Your right arm comes up. 1, 2, 3, 4, left, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump cross, 1, 2. From here, you're going to unwind, 3, 4, and then your arms are going to open big, 6, 7, 8. So now you should be turned around facing your front, and it'll look like you're behind me, okay? So from now on, you'll be learning it from behind me. So one more time from the top. Feet are apart, you turn around and you face backwards. Right arm comes up, reaching 2, 3, 4, left arm, 5, 6, 7, 8, jump cross your right foot, 1, 2, your right foot is in front, you're going to unwind towards your back leg, 3, 4, and arms open wide, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, you're going to take your left arm and you're going to point to your corner across your body, 1, 2, you're going to look over there, 1, 2. Then your right arm is going to point up to the ceiling and you're going to look up. 3, 4. Your right arm is going to point down to the floor. 5, 6, and I bend my knees. I'm going to jump together, 7, 8. And when I jump together, I pull my arms up into this broken T position. So feet are apart. Your left arm is going to point across your body. 1, 2, right arm up. 3, 4, down. 5, 6, jump. 7, 8. From here, this next step, it's probably the trickiest step in the whole thing. It's called the Grapevine Step, and it's going to start to the left. I'll give you the feet first. It goes step, cross, step, together. All right? So I step with my left foot, 1, cross back, 2, step out, 3, together on 4. And when I do that, my arms are going to shoot out, 2, 3, 4. So all together, my hands and feet look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I promise you that that's probably the trickiest footwork that you'll have to do the whole time, and you only have to do it once. Okay? Do that one more time. 6, 7, 8. Step left, 2, 3, 4. Then from here, I'm just going step, touch, step, touch. And with my arms, I'm going to go step, snap, step, snap. I realize some of you don't know how to snap your fingers. That's okay. You just fake it. Okay? So, after we turned around in the beginning, we did the finger point. 1, 2, right arm up. 3, 4, down. 5, 6, jump. 7, 8, grapevine. 2, 3, 4, step, snap, step, snap. Okay? Going on from there, I'm going to take a big step to the right. My arms are going to out really long, and I'm going to drag my toe. Drag, and then I'm going to step together, and I'm going to drop my body down and go to the left. Drag, step together. Okay? 2 counts each step. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure when you drag, you're standing up really tall, and when you come together, you bend your knees and lean over down low. Up tall, down low. Okay? You do that to the right and to the left, and then you repeat step touch, but this time you're going to do it with a clap. My first clap goes up, and then down. Up, and down. Okay? Let's go back from the beginning a second. Try all of that slow from the top. Feet apart, you turn around, you're facing backwards. 5, 6, 7, right arm goes reach. 2, 3, 4, left. 5, 6, 7, 8, cross open. 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, point. 1, 2, up 3, 4, down 5, 6, jump 7, 8, grapevine. 2, 3, 4, step, snap. Here come your drags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Step, clap, step, clap, step, clap, step. Okay? You're almost done with part 1 already. All right? You're doing good. Let's go on. From here, we're going to do a 3-step turn to the right. Okay? That means I'm taking 3 steps with my feet. 1, 2, 3. Hold 4. You're going to shoot your arms up. Right, left, straight over your head. Then they're going to come behind your head. You're going to bend your knees and jump together. Then we do the same thing going to the left. 1, 2, 3. Hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's do that part one more time. 3-step turn to the right. 6, 7, we go. 1, 2, 3. Hold 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, 2, 3. Hold 4. Right arm again. 6, 7, 8. So both times your right arm is going to come up and then your left arm is going to come up. From here, the last little part of part 1 is this little swish with your arms. We're going to go right, 2, 3, left, 2, 3. I'm just keeping my feet together, but I bend my knees a little bit, and I can, if you want, you can add a little bit of a hip, or you can just go arm, 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 and I do a little head tilt to the side. Okay? That is already part number 1. Okay? So let's go back from the beginning. We'll practice that part one more time, and then we'll learn the second part. So facing backwards, feet are apart, nice and wide. Your right arm is going to come up first, and you have a big jazz hand. That means that you're stretching your fingers out really, really wide. Right, 2, 3, 4. Left, 6, 7, 8. Jump cross, 2, open 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. We point. 1, 2, up 3, 4, down 5, 6, jump 7, 8. Grapevine, 2, 3, 4, and step, snap, step, snap. Drag right, and down. Drag left, and down. Step clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3-step turn. 1, 2, 3. Hold 4. Right, left, plie, jump. Left, 2, 3. Hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish, swish. Right? And that's just like a little arm swing. You keep your elbows close to your body, and you just swish, swish, swish to the side. Cool? Okay, that's part 1. So you can rewind from there and do that a few times over and over until you feel really good. And then once you feel good with that, move on to the second half. So let's go on to the second half now. This is part 2. All right, we just did swish, 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 swish. We're going to do a pivot turn. All right, let's talk about pivot turn. It's a half of a turn. Right now we're facing forward. We're going to step with our right foot to the front. Step. You're going to turn to the left, facing backwards, and step together. All right, that's called the pivot turn. If I've got little ones who are learning this and that pivot turn seems really crazy, you can just go like this. 1, 2, 3, and just kind of shimmy your feet and turn around. But I think most of you should should have an okay time learning pivot step. So right foot in front of you. Step and together. From here, I'm going to jump forward, clapping up, and then I'm going to jump backwards, clapping down. Okay? We're still facing backwards. Then I'm going to repeat the pivot turn. Step right and together, jump front, clap high, jump back, clap low. Okay, so you do that 2 times. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, we go. Pivot, turn, and step. Jump, clap, pivot, turn, and step. Jump, clap. Okay, from there, we do another swish step. This one travels to the side. My feet are going like this. Step together, step, jump. Step together, step, jump. 4 times. Step together, step, jump. And what we're going to add to that is a swish with our arms like this. It's kind of like you're scooping. You're going to scoop to the right. Scoop, 2, 3, and jump. Clapping your hands. Left, 2, 3, and jump. Repeat, 2, 3, and jump. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, we're going to add something to that. When you do it, the first 2 times, you're going to do it moving backwards a little bit. And then the second 2 times, you're going to do it moving forwards. So it will look like this. 5, 6, 7, 8. I go right. I'm traveling backwards. Left. And then I'm going right again, and I'm starting to move forward. 7, 8. Okay? Just a little bit of a shift back, and then front. From there. Okay, let's move into the next part. We're going to step out on your right foot. You're going to go 1, 2, right, left. And I'm going to turn and I'm going to face sideways. Not very fast. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. When I step on 2, I'm also going to point straight in front of me. I'm pointing right at the audience. 1, 2. So we go 1, 2. And I'm looking straight out. From here, I'm going to bring this finger across my shoulder 3, and I'm going to look back, and then my right arm is going to shoot up like this, 4, and I'm going to look up nice and high, and I'm standing really tall, and I'm stretching my back leg out, 4, okay? So from there again, I go step 1, point 2, back, shoulder, and then you got to change arms, right arm. Okay, so it's the left arm that pointed on 2. Your left hand comes to your shoulder, but when I turn to the front, my right arm is going to shoot up. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, we go. 1, 2, back, up. And actually, everything is 2 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's how slow that part is. From here, I'm going to melt down to the floor. I'm going to keep my legs where they are, but I'm going to go like this. Melt, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to touch my knee and my hand to the ground. And then I'm going to take my back leg and I'm just going to step together. Roll up. 6, 7, 8. All right? So let's go from the beginning of part 2 again. That's the pivot turn part. We just did swish, 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 swish. Right foot goes pivot, turn, step. Jump, clap, pivot, turn, step, jump, clap, swish to the right, I'm traveling back for 2, swish to the left, I'm traveling forward, and 7, 8, 1, 2.3, 4, shoulder and right arm, melt, 2, 3, 4, step together, 6, 7, 8. Okay, you're doing good, you're almost at the end. From here, you're going to step out with your right foot. This kind of feels like the beginning. Right arm, 2, 3, 4. Left arm, 6, 7, 8. But from here, I'm going to go right, left, around the clock. Right? So they say around the world on that part. Right? And it's just like a little rock to the right, rock to the left, circle and around. The next part, you already know. It goes back to the pivot, turn, step, jump, clap, pivot, turn, step, jump, clap, swish to the right, and left, traveling backwards, swish to the right, and left, traveling forwards. choreography you need to learn. The last part of the dance is going to be from there, you're going to improv, which means any dance steps you want to do, improving over to your families. So wherever your families are going to be out in the parking lot, they might be sitting, they might be standing, you're going to dance your way over to them, and you're going to try and get them to dance with you. Okay, so that everybody will be dancing together at the same time, and that's how it ends. Okay, so I hope that that makes sense to you. I'm going to go through it one more time, all the way from the beginning to the end, so that you can practice it as a whole, and then I'm going to create a whole new video that's just me with the music that you can practice it once you feel good about the steps. Okay, so let's go one final time, all the way from the beginning to the end. Let's turn around, feet apart. Nice big second position. When your arms come up in the beginning, let's just keep our focus looking straight. So I'm not going to look towards my hands. I'm just going to look up. Okay? Here we go. 5, 6, 7, right arm goes up. 2, 3, 4, left. 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump cross. Unwind. And open. 6, 7, point. 1, 2. Up. 3, 4. Down. 5, 6. Jump. 7. Grapevine left. 2, 3, 4. Step, snap, step. We grab. Right. 2 and 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8. Step, clap, step, clap, step, clap, and 3. Step, turn. 1, 2, 3. Hold 4. Right, left, 7, 8. Left, 2, 3. Hold 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Swish, swish, swish. Swish, swish. Part 2. Pivot, turn, step. Jump, clap, pivot, turn, step. Jump, clap to the right. We switch and jump, left, traveling back, then right, traveling forward. We step 1, 2, point left, and 5, 6, right arm goes up, mount, 2, 3, 4, roll up, 6, 7, 8, right arm, 2, 3, 4, left arm, 6, 7, 8, and rock, rock around the world. Pivot right, 2, 3, step, jump, and a right, 2, 3, jump, clap. We switch right, left, right, left. And you improv to your mom and dad, and you make them dance with you, and your brothers and sisters and aunts and uncles and grandmas and grandpas, whoever else came. Whew. Okay? So, if you have any questions, go back, watch it again. I know you are probably still kind of stuck at home, but if you have friends that you dance with, that you hang out with a little bit, maybe they live in your neighborhood, get together with them, work on it together. It'll be a lot of fun. I will create my next video. So look on the YouTube page for another video of me doing the dance all the way through from beginning to the end with the music. Have fun learning it, and I will see you guys on the 15th. Love ya. Bye-bye.